Oh right. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm back with the Gator Greasers here on our campus to, well, basically walk you guys around our first on-campus Cars and Coffee. It's a collaboration with the Golden Gate Racing Club on campus too, which is basically Formula SAE. I'm also part of that. If you don't know what Formula SAE is, quick breakdown. Basically we build our own race car to race in the summer against other colleges. But yeah, this is our first event and it's only been about, I'd say, 30 minutes since it started, and there's already a pretty good show out for like on such short notice. Like, we barely put up posters around campus like 4 days ago or something like that. It felt like a damn GTA side mission, but whatever. And yeah, so I could just walk you guys around and talk to you about any cars that I guess I haven't really talked about in the first place. So let's get to it. I'm sure most of you guys who saw the Pacifica car meet are well aware of this RCF that goes to our campus, owned by Jason. He's got some headers on it and exhaust. It makes about 480. Again, the ECUs on this are kind of hard to crack, so. But he does plan to get like more parts for it once it's easier to tune. He does take it to the track, type shit. This is Assman's car, BMW 330i. Yo, Assman.
What's up, bro?
But yeah, he's got a crazy sub in the back. This is Kevin's car. We've already reviewed that. You could see that up in the right corner. And this one's IS250 F Sport. Rode in this thing last week for our dine and drive down to Alice's. In the same video that reviewed that Civic Del Sol over there. Again, I could link to that if you need to. This is Rashid's NC Miata. He recently just wrapped it pink, which, you know, it's kind of valid. It's pretty valid. He can whip this thing for sure. I don't know if I was able to get much footage of him doing such, but he can definitely whip it. This is Mango's GR86 with TE37s. It's lowered on HKS, I think. It's got a Tomei catback. I think it's a catback. I don't know. And it's in a really nice pearlescent kind of color. You got the VA, the WRX. Yeah. Walker's 350. Damn!
Damn, that actually looks nice.
Yes.
Without the cover on?
What?
Without the cover on, it looks cool.
Yeah, no cover, it looks really different.
And this is all intake manifold?
Yeah, this used to be a two-piece.
Oh.
Normally people put a plenum, which is just, instead of a thin gasket, it's like a thicker thing to get better airflow on the front cylinders.
Yeah.
Because it's at an angle in the car.
Nice heat shield.
But thank you.
Yeah, I know, for real.
Jesus. No, I've seen this thing driving up and down campus, but I keep mistaking it for Brian's 350Z. But as you'll see, he doesn't even have a 350Z here today. He's got his Cayman. He's got a 40% reduction for the short shifter, and he's got polished as fuck Toyos with the RPFs. Same setup that Brian has, but it's tried and true. And you got HUD's 370 again. You got Hash's Corolla E72. Hash is actually the president of the SAE club, so once I find him, we could actually talk to him about what that's like and stuff like that. See if anyone, I could get any of y'all to join your local FSAE club. It is immaculately clean for how old it is, especially on the interior with the blue non-cracked dash. Automatic, but who cares? It's got a 3T, I think, but this was the days before the 4A GE and 4AC came in, which I'll actually get back to you on that because there actually might be something a bit interesting. But yeah, as you can see, Toyota Corolla 1.8. This thing actually takes me kind of back because, well, I never lived in Pakistan, but like I've only been there on vacation. But they have these things that are everywhere. So it's kind of like, my own slice of home. You got Gabe, the owner's Triumph. Hey, what's up, Dylan? This is the front desk. I hope this music is not copyrighted. I don't know whose Harley this is, but it's really clean. You got Ben's RSX Type S, also on RPFs, who's also part of the FSAE club. He got an FB6. Asher's Del Sol, you know well. You got Massimo's M4. I don't know whose E36 this is, but it seems to be set up for track. Sheen's C43, and this is the Cayman, which I actually haven't gone into detail yet. Or maybe I have, I don't know, I forgot. But it is very, very clean for the price he got it for. He's got the wing extended, of course. He actually got a catback recently, but he was supposed to come in today, but unfortunately not in enough time for him to get it on and stuff. Because like he's got to drive like across the bridge to get here, so yeah. Officer Damien's S197. I don't know whose Camaro this is. I could be his friend's Adam, but I could be wrong. Don't know who owns this. Who owns this S550? You got Jason Ye's ML500, the kind of like adventure build, and this thing is crazy. It just pulled up out of nowhere. I'll show the clip. I had it on my phone. But it's just a really, really clean Stingray. It's got a 327 turbo fire. 300. I don't know. I'm not a classic car guy, but this thing is definitely sick. Like everyone, it was a head turner for sure. And if you see, I'll get to that in a second. But I might as well go over this so none of the fucking American car dudes get mad at me in the comments, even if there is any. And last but not least, you got my favorite car here of the beat. Totally not biased. You got a Toyota Corolla E86. Well, I think in this case it would be 885, but it's not even that because all the USDM. I'm yapping, but it's an AE86. All right, you got it. I don't know much about it because the owner just pulled it out of nowhere. I don't know, maybe he's just a bit humble. He's got GTS wheels, got a couple stickers, and he's got a really based Noriaro reference right there. Interior seems pretty stock. I think it's a 4AC, like, which means that's the SR5 model, but I don't really care. It's clean, like honestly. Like most of the ones here in California are not clean. You got a little sun damage, but who gives a shit? It's better than like most of them here, which sell for like, you're paying like $14,000 for some rust bucket piece of shit. I'm not even gonna lie. Like at this point, I might as well just like fucking import one. They're out here doing reviews and like interviews and stuff like that. More people showing up. A lot of people here, which is actually really good. It's like our meet we had at I think like Merced like 1 or 2 weeks ago. It was a while back, but a Porsche GT3 showed up there, and it was a really fun time. And I'm glad we're having more and more people recognize this club. As you can see, lots of people concentrate in this area. Oh yeah, that's the student housing. It's, I'd say, the middle of the oh hey, there's someone actually looking there. Bro's the G-man up there. I don't even know if it's showing on camera, but there's someone up there. People taking pictures. I don't want to bother. Quick food run, why not?
And you get like a cool little spot, like right
Bunch of
next to the field.
SFPD.
Pretty close to all the buildings too.
SFPD. What are they gonna do?
Absolutely nothing.
You just gotta act like you're all fit, and then they won't.
This is for real. Like if any cops show up to the meet, all you gotta do is start doing the fent lean, and then they'll ignore you.
Maybe.
No, for real.
I'll be doing that shit too. It's all good. That DSG fart.
Yeah.
Fucking vacuum cleaner.
Bro, the wind. I don't think the wind's too bad in this.
Dude, the DSG farts are so fun.
Yeah.
Or no, even the ZF8.
Oh yeah, no, this is the 8HPs also kind of do it now, especially with the XHP tune.
It's like.
Yeah. I keep seeing TikToks of the fucking DSG farts.
You
Oh yeah, the Golf R's, like
Yeah.
make those nasty fart sounds. That's the only downside to having a Golf R. It sounds like shit.
Low key.
To make sure that they have license and registration for that.
Also, no, they have
Yeah,
to
they have to have the
actually
paper. They have the
title
pink
in
slip.
hand.
Yeah, they gotta have the pink slip.
Oh,
Oh,
see that?
is this the F type that you were talking about?
Ringo.
What restaurant?
Oh, yeah, good question.
You can just park in the middle.
Yeah, I don't even.
just go to like Whole Foods and get something.
Yeah, low key, I do not know any places here that I could get for like lunch or.
Just get Shake Shack, bro. That's
Oh yeah, you're right.
Fucking idiot.
It's like a wait. It's not even. Oh, it's like almost 12.
It's a Panamera. There's so many like Porsche
SF.
SUVs here.
SUVs like Cayennes and shit.
No, I mean
Ah.
the 911. Yes, the Cayenne and the Macan. Those are the only two SUVs they make.
I thought you. I don't know. For a second, I thought you were grouping the Panamera in. Oh shit. It's a weekend morning. Of course, people are gonna be here.
Dude, I washed my car yesterday, and out of all the cars that pulled up...
Mr. President, is that your car? Is that your car? Holy shit! No way!
No, you have to park next to that Alpha. That's literally the same car, bro.
Oh, this motherfucker.
Dude, bro, what's he doing,
Not a
bro?
reverse park. Maybe he's trying to turn it.
No.
Can you make it?
Bro, what is he?
Nah, bro, no one logs my fucking Jetta.
Especially after you locked in yesterday.
Dude, the fucking replies.
Mods, roll the clip. Alright, this isn't really important. We're just getting food, so I know I am. I'm just gonna go get food. Okay, continuing on. Alright, entering Stonestown Mall. I didn't mean for this to become a vlog, but whatever. B-roll.
I'm going to be busting nuts in that strip club every night.
Alright, food run complete. We got the cheesesteak. Again, this isn't a vlog, but like, bro, I'm bored. It's a fucking Saturday afternoon. What do you expect me to do? Damn. Now we're back. And I don't think anyone's left or came. Yeah, what are they doing? Wait, yes, he's got TEs. And we're back. Oh shit, he pulled up. I love how half the song is just muted because it has to be family friendly despite all of us being fucking grown ass adults. Mr. Mango is leaving. Show up seems pretty stagnant at this point. It's been about an hour. Everyone's just chatting. That 40th anniversary shit. Used to.
Yeah?
Bro got rid of it overnight.
Because I was at my girlfriend's place last night, so I brought some food. And this was supposed to be my breakfast, but I didn't have time.
Yeah. Did you see the white 370 at the bottom?
Yeah.
I wonder who
Yeah,
owns
I'd
it.
take that one. That was pretty cool. I bet it's a Starbucks car, but he hasn't moved.
There's no trash cans here, bro. Oh wait, never mind.
There is.
Oh yeah, you're right. Riding in that thing, the power comes on very subtly. Like, because it's like a smaller V6, you don't really notice until you rev it out, but once you do, you actually feel the torque. And Ben's going in the RSX too. Those two are Tom and Mateo. They're exchange students, but they chill like that.
I'm planning on getting a high flow cat.
Ooh. Let's see if I can catch it. There he is.
That's nice. I did hear you last week.
Yeah.
Coming out the parking lot. I was like right in front of the parking lot.
Oh
I
yeah.
was seeing all you guys like thinking I'm like, fuck, can go. Also like the pink sign.
Yeah. Oh shit. What? I thought it was a fixed roof. What the fuck? Bro, I forgot that it wasn't a Yo. Why? How do I forget? You literally had the top down the entirety of last week. Forgot. I thought it was only on the new RFs. I didn't know that this generation had it.
Get these wrapped. What color? Also pink or black? I think black. Black. Yeah. I'll fuck around with it. One of these days.
They're all playing Snake Oil, but yeah, this FB6 is crazy. I mean, it's his daily driver, so he admits that it's not like the craziest build, but it's still got a decent amount going for it. Del Sol is unchanged from last week, but that's okay. Still looks clean. Got Massimo's M4. I think it's pushing 550. Yeah, and I was right. This thing does go to track. It's got a huge sifter.
That's why I said like if you can find someone and if you're buying a thing,
Kevin's taking pictures. Hey, there's that 240i, but I don't know if you guys have seen it before. I'll show some of the pictures he's got once he's posting them. a nice rumble. Shit's getting heated, what the hell? It's this kind of shit that gets me out of bed early in the morning on Saturday. Like on some real shit on the side. If you can, if you guys are in college, you're having trouble making friends, join a club, see if you can meet your neighbors. There's plenty of options. Like I got lucky because I was able to be chill with my dorm neighbors and my roommate, but being in a club definitely helps. It hurts me seeing people going to college and they're absolutely lonely because they're moving somewhere that they don't have anyone that they know. Like for instance, that happened to me. I don't know anyone up here. I mean, it's not really a risk because like no matter what, you're still meeting new people. But yeah, join clubs, get out there. Like I've made friends outside, like I've made friends who I go hang out with outside this club from this. Like just because you meet them in the club doesn't mean you have to hang out with them only at club meets. Like, yeah, it's that simple. Stuff like FSAE too, we don't do much together, but we still talk a lot in the Discord server, and then eventually we hang out. I'm probably making this sound stupid as fuck, but at least I'm getting the kind of message out there.
I don't want to like share more stories, but
But yeah, to be honest, that's gonna be all for me today. So I hope you guys like this little walk around, more of like, you know, a more chill video slash vlog. It's not much happening. I mean, we have a good turnout. Everyone's just hanging out with each other. But yeah, I hope I just taught you guys to, like, you know, go to your local clubs or even like car communities or anything. Try seeing what's up. And even if you don't have a car like me, you can still make friends. Like I've got plenty of people I know here just by, you know, talking. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time with whatever it may be. See ya.
サイドの利きはいまいちだったが、ポイントは無駄なパワーオンを避け、タイヤを滑らせすぎないこと。タイムは34秒629。これでサイドが効いていたらかなりのタイムアップができていたかも。
Turn. Oh my god. Those are gunshots, bro. Oh my god. Yo.
Well, what you gonna do if the ballers roll through? Throw shoes at him? Say, what happened to Emmett?
Emmett? Shit, gangs these days got Max, AKs, and all kind of stuff. Emmett, on the other hand, ain't got shit.
Seem impossible to keep a secret around here. I would have thought the size of the room would keep the numbers down.
Hey, speak up. We can't hear you back here.
I appreciate your input, but please, fuck off.
Do be careful, Lewis. There are some significant alterations.
Like what?
Well, for example, the button that used to work the DRS now activates the